Welcome guys, in this video we are going to see how to load classes automatically and why we use classes automatically. You can see the example as well as you can download the code zip. So let's get started. Alright guys, and here I have the index.php where I'm including two classes, and these classes are currently present in classes folder. And there, if you see here, we have car class, and where I have created a class with the name of car, and we have more $name and $model. Same goes with base class, we have $name and $h. So here I'm doing nothing special, I just included these two, and here I just instantiated both of the classes, and then there is echo. So $base, which is from the base class, I'm getting the name of the user, and then has the name of the car. So if I go to the browser, we get the Steve has BMW X5. So the thing is, currently we have two classes here. Now, for example, if you are working on a big application, you might have 20, 30, or maybe more classes. So you cannot just because when you need to use these classes, you need to include. So you cannot just include in classes like this. And if you have classes like this, more than 10, and it's hard to handle to see what class is included and what not. And that is not practical in real life projects. So there is a function and that we use to deal with this kind of situation when we load classes automatically. So to do that, I'm going to show you now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to comment these, and as soon as I comment these, we are going to get an error that the class is not present. Now you can see it says class base is not found. Now what we can do here, I'm going to put that function. So this function is called SPL and autoload, and then register. Alright, so this is how you call it. Now inside this function we are going to call a function. So what I can do currently, I'm just going to do it below it so that it's easy to see. So I'm going to say function, and I'm not going to give any name to this function. I'm just going to say $class class underscore name. Alright, and after that, inside it we want to say include, and here we need to provide the path. So if I go here, you will see that in the application we have index.php and then the classes folder, and all the classes are inside this classes folder. So we need to tell here that which folder our classes are in. So we say classes, and we are going to put slash, and then we are going to put dot. Now here we want to pass this variable, which is the class name. So it's going to load the classes class names here. So if I class name come here, now I want to put .php at the end. So I'm gonna do this now here like this. Okay. Now what happens is, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this and simply gonna put it inside it. Okay, still easy to read. Now we have it inside and nothing more than that. Now if we go here, we're still gonna get the error, but I'll show you what exactly happening. So it says include classes, then there is a capital base.php. Now if we go here, I said it is going to include the class name. So it is doing the same. It is including this class name, which is base, and you can see that first letter is capital as it is showing up here. So we need to match with the file name. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the PHP function string to lower. All right, so what it's going to do, it's going to make it lowercase base. And if you notice, the class name has base class.php. So here we can say class. So it's going to be, it is going to make it base lowercase and then the class, and then we have the PHP at the end. Okay, so let's save this, and if I go to the browser and refresh, okay, this function string to lower, it's not spelled right. So we need to remove this. I go to the browser again, refresh. You can see Steve has BMW. Now you can see that this is coming from this. So if I comment this one and refresh, we're gonna get the error. Now if you change the way you have different folder or your files named differently, you just have to modify here. Basically you're going to get the class's name and you can do your code accordingly. Now you can see that it is loading both the files, and we are using $base name from the base class and $car name from the car class. Hope you got the understanding, and this is how you load classes automatically. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.